Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the class Physical Education, Unit 7 Physiology and Injury in Sports. And today we are going to learn the topic that is first aids, meaning, aims, and objectives. We are learn different types of sports injury, their prevention and causes, but before reaching to the doctor or before arrival of the doctor, what help we can give to injured person or wounded person is considered as a first aid. Right? Now, that may be injury, may be causes either may be causes home or outside or at the workplace. It may occur at any place, and their injury occur happen by accident. Right? So now the meaning of the first aids. First aid is the first help which is given to the wounded or accidental victim before the arrival of the doctor. In other words, it is an immediate and temporary care given to a victim or accident or sudden illness before the service of physician is obtained. First aid refers to the emergency or immediate care you should provide when a person is injured or in until full medical treatment is available. For minor condition, first aid care may be enough. For serious problem, first aid care should be continued until more advanced care become available. Right? Means first aid is the first help which is given to the wounded or accidental victim before the arrival of the doctor. Right? Aims and objective of first aid. Only one aims and objectives are many. Only one aims of first aid is the first help which is given to the wounded or accidental victim before the arrival of the doctor. Right? Always remember, aim is only one and objectives are many. The many objectives of the first aid: first, to pursue life. Right? Means to preserve or save the life of victim or wounded person is the significant objective of first aid. Right? However, there are limitations of first aid, but even the every possible effort is done to save the life of a wounded person or victim with the help of first aids. Right? Second, to alleviate pain and suffering. Right? The second important objective of first aid is to alleviate pain and suffering of the victim or wounded person. Pain is natural in any type of accident. Pain becomes unbearable in case of fracture or dislocation of joint during the accident. So, it is a major objective to reduce such unbearable pain. Right? Third, to prevent condition for worsening. Right? Means till the wounded person or victim does not get the help of a doctor to prevent the condition for worsening become the major objective of the first aid. According to this objective, the victim conditions should not be worsening. Generally, when first aid is provided, the wounded or victim condition does not worsen while being taken to the doctor for treatment. Right? Fourth one is to promote recovery. Yes, the main objective of first aid is to start the process of recovery as early as possible. Sometimes the treatment of injury is also included in these objectives. Right? And last one is to procure early medical aid. To procure early medical aid is one of the most important objectives of first aid. In fact, there may be certain situations where there is a dire need to medical assistance. However, the first aider should pay attention to provide first aid to the victim or wounded person, but effort should not be made to seek medical aid as early as possible. Right? This is the last topic of this chapter. Okay. Thank you, student. Have a nice day.